We just have to remember if it's going to rain to bring that in. It's too big and too expensive to just let it fall apart. So for some reason, once that stuff hits the ground, the birds are just, you'd think that it would be easier for them to come and get and be softened up. But it's like they're not interested. What's the matter? Come on.
Jessie?
The lizard coming after you? Huh? Louie the lizard? Where'd he go?
Jessie had her Benadryl shots.
What did he do here? Did you have a nightmare? Huh? Did you hear something that we don't hear? Huh? You hear something we don't hear?
Good girl, Jessie.